Calling the attention of all crypto holders. I don't care what it is you hold right now: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano, Chainlink, Sui, Stellar. It really doesn't matter, because what's happening right now on the macro is going to impact all of us. And this is a major crypto news update. We've got some new information related to the Trump tariff tensions. We know what's happening right now, along with the government being shut down. We've got a crucial thing that needs to get resolved, and that is the United States China trade tariffs, those tensions. We need to resolve them. So in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know in terms of the new information we have. We'll take a look at the overall market. There are some positive signs right now in the overall market here, especially during a weekend, which is usually pretty low volume. So we'll dive into all that for you. Go ahead and smash that like button. Let's run this thing up. I want this video to reach a lot of new folks. You know, about 50% of my views on these videos come from brand new people. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We're putting out value, alpha, news every single day for you. We've been doing it for 5 years. So my name's Zach, if it's your first time dropping in. And let's jump in and take a look at this top headline first and foremost. Then we'll jump into some price action and things like that as well as we go along here. So Trump tariff tensions ease as the United States and China hold a positive trade talk ahead of the October 30th summit. So what do we have here? Well, these are fresh developments coming in from CoinGate, and we'll go to the actual article here, and we'll break it down. So the highlights here, let's start here. The United States and China trade negotiators have resumed discussions to address the Trump tariffs. This marks the 5th in-person meeting between representatives in China and U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent. The talks precede a already scheduled October 30th meeting between President Donald Trump and Xi Jinping. In fresh developments, the United States and China's trade teams have commenced negotiations. This comes ahead of the meeting on October 30th, which could act like a soft deadline. According to Bloomberg, Chinese Vice Premier He Lifeng and U.S. Treasury Scott Bessent launched a new round of talks on the early hours of Saturday. The meeting is the latest attempt to improve the strained U.S.-China relations after a turbulent few months of tariff measures and retaliatory sanctions. Now, according to China, the agenda focused on issues crucial to economic and trade relations. Though no detailed statement was released, this marks the 5th in-person meeting. Caroline Leavitt, White House press secretary, confirmed Trump and Xi Jinping will meet later this month, October 30th. Now, what's interesting about all of this is this comes at the same time, right around the same time, as Jerome Powell, who will be taking the stage next week to discuss the federal interest rate decision. Just drop my pen here. So a lot going on as we lean into the final week of October here. Sources familiar with the matter say the United States and China and the Malaysian hosts have kept most details under wraps. However, the discussions are expected to set the stage for negotiations come next week. The U.S. president, speaking before departing Washington for his Asia tour, highlighted agricultural trade and regional security as the core issues at hand. So the easing rhetoric has already rippled through global markets. Reports indicate that the so-called Trump insider whale has began closing Bitcoin short positions amid growing optimism that a new trade framework could stabilize global risk assets. This is what we're talking about. Major crypto and stock indices have also rebounded. And of course, crypto doesn't sleep, right? It continues to go even after Friday on the closing bell. And here you go. We're seeing Bitcoin make some moves up to 111. Ethereum just shy of 4K. XRP pumping the hardest today of the top 10 cryptos. XRP up big. If you haven't seen my XRP news video right before this one, check that out. A ton of unbelievable things happening in the Ripple ecosystem. And again, check out that video if you haven't already. Solana up slightly here. Doge, same thing. We do have some top gainers too. The altcoin market moving. Virtuals protocols popping off here this morning as well. And Zcash continues to be one of the leaders. Caspa finally waking up a little bit. Same thing with Aster, Jupiter. This Humanity Protocol, this is a new project burst on the scene. It's up big right now as well. Kronos and Stellar up modestly here, about 3%. Same thing with Pudgy, Penguins there as well. Quick word from our sponsor, WEEX, guys. And if you're looking for a place to trade, either spot or leverage, win a share of 1.5 million, get up to 30,000 on the welcome bonus. We've got a private trading group set up with WEEX. Great spot for you guys to trade. Met this team 3 years ago. So happy to be working with these guys now. They are massive now. They are one of the biggest players in the room. Deep liquidity. They've got 1,000 BTC protection fund, and they are off and running, man. Tons of great offers. They've got copy trading. You can trade anytime, anywhere with the WEEX app as well. They make it super, super simple. It is a crypto trading exchange where users can buy, sell, and trade cryptos like Bitcoin, ETH, and more. WEEX Exchange is a full range of crypto futures exchange offerings, 1,700 plus trading pairs, and a user-friendly platform designed specifically for retail traders. So check out WEEX, link down below to that. And we're going to be locked in as we enter this new week, guys. So many big things happening. We had, a lot of things go on these last couple weeks. The big drawdown after the flash crash. We've been buying assets. We've been buying cryptos. And you guys can check out, the Patreon. You'll see that rolling ticker there at the bottom, the Patreon membership. Give that a look if you're looking to really level up your game. Tons of great stuff there. Been talking to my private community all weekend long. And bought 3 altcoins just yesterday before the week was over, at least the Monday through Friday trading week. But excited about what we've got coming, man. We get this, resolved, the whole tariff tension stuff. We get the government reopened. We get some interest rate cuts. All of a sudden, we're in a bullish environment, and quantitative tightening is over, and all of a sudden, risk on assets look amazing right now. So we are clearly, in my opinion, still in a very, very bullish trend. We're range bound right now on Bitcoin. A lot of people saying we could come down to 100,000. It could happen. And even if we did, it wouldn't shake me. Now, if we lost 100,000, that's where I'd get a little bit nervous. But we're now up on the month, guys, which is kind of crazy. It's 1%, but we're up on the month in a month that has not been fun. We're up slightly here in the last month after setting all-time highs early October back on the 6th. And, you look at the zoomed out 1-year chart, we're up 65%. I still think Bitcoin has that parabolic run left in this cycle. We've been stair-stepping all the way up, since 2023. We've been stair-stepping up, and I think we've got one more big pop. Where does that take us? Nobody knows exactly. I could see 150,000 by the end of the year. I think that's a fair bet, somewhere in the 170K range. Maybe we top out somewhere in there. But really what I think most people are looking for, because Bitcoin's been doing its thing. People are looking for that altcoin season. And you got to have all eyes on Ethereum first and foremost. Once Ethereum cracks 5K, then I think the floodgates start to open for the likes of Solana, obviously Cardano, XRP, BNB, Chainlink has been, lackluster performer so far. I'm an owner of Chainlink, though. I still believe in it. XLM, SWI, Avalanche, Litecoin, Hedera. A lot of these assets are more than overdue. And I do think we're going to get some flavor of an altcoin season eventually. And I'm here for it. I'm here every single day for you guys. So appreciate you all for watching. Check out the Patreon if you're interested in that. We do live calls every Friday if you're a VIP tier as well. You could pay annually, save 15% on your packages. And we're crushing it over at the Patreon. Got an unbelievable community, and just happy as hell to be doing this with you guys every single day, bringing in news, alpha information. Of course, we got our X Spaces that we do Monday through Friday for 2 hours a day. If you're not yet following the Crypto Breakfast Club over on X, phenomenal spaces. This is all free. So, we're giving you tons of value all the time. So make sure you guys check us out on all of our platforms. Appreciate you all so much, and we'll see you guys in the next video.